Fellow problem solvers, Colfax Math here. Today I'm going to do a short video on permutations and combinations for an IB math class or probability or algebra 2, pre-calc, trig. Permutation means order matters. Combination is a grouping, so order does not matter. Let's say you have a hat with 4 different things in it, like A, B, C, D. How many ways can I pull a group of 2 from the 4? Well, I could pull A, B, I could pull A, C, A, D, I could pull out B, C, B, D, or I could pull out C, D. So the question was, how many ways can I pull a group of 2 from 4? So this C is saying you're talking about a grouping. You're choosing 2 from 4, and those are all the groups you could have. There's no difference between the group AB and BA. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different groups you could create from those 4. The equation for that, for n choose r, nCr, is n factorial divided by r factorial times n minus r factorial. This is going to be your n value. This is going to be your r value. And then this thing factorial, what that means is, it doesn't mean 4. 4 factorial means 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 all the way down. 5 factorial will be 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So let's try this scenario. 4c2, and hopefully we'll get 6. 4c2 is equal to n factorial, which will be that 4 factorial, divided by r factorial, 2 factorial, and then n minus r, 4 minus 2, 2 factorial. To simplify this, I have 4 times 3 times 2. I'll just call that a factorial, even though it's times 1. 2 factorial times 2 factorial. My 2 factorials will cancel. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. So that's how that notation nCr works. If it were a permutation instead, I'll use my red pen here. If it were a permutation instead, there would be order would matter. So there's a difference between AB and BA. There's a difference between AC and CA, DA. I could reverse the order of these two and see that I'm going to have 12. Let's use the equation. nPr would equal n factorial. I still have that 4 factorial divided by n minus r factorial. 4 minus 2, 2 factorial. Is equal to 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. This is 2 times 1. Those would cancel, and the answer would be 12. So if you were asked how many ways could I pull a group of 2 from 4, the group tells you combination. Use that equation. If it said how many different arrangements or order of 2 from 4, it would be a permutation. Use this equation, and that's how you solve it. We'll just do one more here. Let's say I have 10c7. Using the equation right here, I'm going to have 10 factorial over r factorial times n minus r factorial. So 10 minus 7 is 3 factorial. So I'm going to write this out here. It's 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 factorial over 7 factorial. Remember, 7 factorial is 7 times 6 times 5 all the way down, so I could cancel all those numbers. But if I just leave it as a factorial, I could cancel it with the same factorial below. 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1. That will cancel with that. 3 goes into 9 3 times. 2 goes into 8 4 times. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 times 10 is 120. So how many groups of 7 from 10? The answer would be 120. The group is telling me it's a combination of 7 from 10. That's how I get the NR. Okay, hopefully that was helpful. Thank you for watching. Oh, actually one last point I forgot. That button is on your calculator as well, nCr and nPr. You can find them under the math key here, over to probability, and there's generate a random variable, nPr, nCr, factorial button. So if I wanted to do this 10C7 right here, I would go 10 first, so I enter 10, math, over to probability, down to C, nCr, so I have 10C7, and I get that same 120.